Welcome to our guide on cybersecurity tips for students. In today's interconnected world, protecting your online identity and data has never been more important. Whether you are attending virtual classes or researching online, staying safe in the digital realm is essential. Join us as we explore practical strategies to enhance your cybersecurity and safeguard your online presence. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of cybersecurity specifically tailored for students. From securing your devices to avoiding common online threats, we've got you covered. So, let's jump right in. Secure your devices. First things first, let's talk about securing your devices. Ensure your laptop, smartphone, and other gadgets are protected with strong, unique passwords. Consider enabling biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, for an added layer of security. Additionally, keep your operating system and software up to date to patch any vulnerabilities. Beware of phishing scams. Phishing scams are rampant in the online world, and students are often targeted. Be cautious of emails or messages requesting sensitive information, such as your login credentials or financial details. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading attachments from unknown sources. When in doubt, verify the legitimacy of the sender before taking any action. Use strong passwords. Your passwords are the frontline defense against cyber threats, so make them count. Opt for long, complex passwords that include a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name or birth date. Consider using a reputable password manager to securely store and generate passwords for your accounts. Secure your Wi-Fi network. If you are studying from home or in a shared living space, securing your Wi-Fi network is paramount. Set up a strong password for your Wi-Fi router and enable encryption, such as WPA2 or WPA3. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks for sensitive tasks, as they are often unsecured and susceptible to interception by cybercriminals. Protect your personal information. Last but not least, be mindful of the information you share online. Avoid oversharing personal details on social media platforms and be cautious when filling out online forms. Review the privacy settings on your accounts to control who can access your information. Remember, once something is posted online, it can be challenging to remove it entirely. And there you have it, our top cybersecurity tips for students. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance your online safety and protect yourself from potential threats. Remember to stay vigilant and stay informed about the latest cybersecurity trends. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay safe and secure online. For more helpful tips and resources on cybersecurity, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out the links in the description below. Together, we can build a safer and more secure online environment for students everywhere. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.